Hello everyone, Keycaps here, back at it again for another video for you guys. This is a continuation of the linear Frankenswitch series, where we cover Get-Around Inks, Get-Around Milky Yellows, Cherry MX Blacks, Alpacas, and NK Creams. In each video, I will use one switch as a base, then swapping parts one at a time from the other four to see how it affects sound and feel. In addition to the 5 linear switches, I'll also record and compare unwipe stem swaps. Chapter 5 will be on creams. So I have 2 diagrams here and I'll use them to demonstrate the Frankenswitch process. The first sound recording will be stock and lubed. Then, with the housing, I'll be swapping stems from the other 4 switches. I actually couldn't fit the other top housings with my cream bottom housings, so unlike the other 4 videos, this video will not feature top housing swaps. Hey, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. I also stream every Tuesday at 7:30 PM Arizona time. All my socials are at Keycaps. Thanks.